Bạn có tin rằng một chiếc áo đấu World Cup từng chỉ là những chai nhựa bị vứt bỏ? Hôm nay, bạn sẽ được chứng kiến toàn bộ hành trình biến rác thải nhựa thành những chiếc áo bóng đá chuyên nghiệp bên trong một siêu nhà máy hiện đại. Nhưng có một công đoạn trong quy trình này khiến hầu hết mọi người đều không thể tin nổi. Bạn đang xem từ đâu? Hãy bình luận tên tỉnh hoặc quốc gia của bạn bên dưới và đừng bỏ lỡ phần cuối.
Keep the blue stream clear, we're backing up. All right, I'm adjusting the baler now.
El proceso comienza con la recolección. Millones de botellas plásticas inician su viaje, transformándose en la materia prima esencial para las camisetas de la Copa del Mundo. The compressed bale of bottles is now ready for shredding. The substantial, dense cube of compact.
Slow it down slightly, batch 2 is heavy. Backing off the feed rate now.
We are maintaining the optimized flow rate here.
Yes, the secondary rinse is clear. We are getting premium quality output. Feet differential looks optimized according to the residence time. Yes, the thermal processing is efficient. The output is perfectly dry. High-resolution cameras combined with AI image recognition identify each flake's color and direct it to the appropriate sorting destination. The colored flakes flow in their dedicated processing channel for colored material. This demonstrates a comprehensive recycling system that maximizes value from all input materials.
Operaztas. La calidad de estas escamas es crucial. Solo las fibras más puras garantizan la sensación premium de nuestro tejido.
Bienvenidos de nuevo. Ahora entramos en la fase 2, donde la verdadera magia ocurre. Prepárense para presenciar el calor intenso del horno.
The conveyor carries the flakes toward the extrusion zone, where Phase 2's dramatic operations will transform the...
Now beginning Phase 2, filament extrusion.
Check atmosphere levels on Sector 4. Stabilize the oxygen mix. Adjusting flow rate. Target parameters acquired. The yarn is stretched for tensile strength development through controlled drawing operations that align the polymer molecules for optimal yarn properties. The impressive production output of premium white yarn, destined for the World Cup, demonstrating the quality achievement of Phase 2. En esta fase crítica, examinamos las propiedades técnicas del hilo. Su elasticidad y resistencia son fundamentales para el rendimiento atlético y la gestión de la humedad.
The yarn spools travel toward the knitting facility, where the next major transformation will occur, the engineered transport carrying the production-ready yarn. An intimate look at the finished knit fabric reveals the precise stitch structure that ensures breathability, stretch, and unparalleled performance.
Adjusting the gradient here makes the sublimation cleaner.
And it aligns better with the away team colors.
Agreed. Lock that in for the final submission. The fabric is dyed Brazilian yellow, the brilliant gold-yellow color that defines Brazil's iconic national team emotions. The fabric is dyed Spanish red, the deep, brilliant red that defines Spain's national team identity, being
Ensure these reds are routed to line 3. Confirmed. Phase 4 is active.
The cut pattern pieces emerge from the cutting bed in precise dimensions and clean edges, the engineered cutting operation producing the exact components required for jersey.
Desde el corte láser de la ventilación hasta la costura reforzada, cada detalle es ingeniería de precisión.
Welcome to Phase 5 and 6, Quality Control and Branding. These operations are integrated closely in the jersey production process.
The color fastness on the blue sample is holding steady at a 4.5, and the elasticity results, they meet the premium standard.
Water droplets bead on the water-repellent fabric surface in beautiful macro demonstration, the visible water beading proving the fabric's engineered water resistance. A gloved hand uses a Pantone color reader on the fabric, the scientific color verification confirming that the jersey colors match the precise specifications. The iconic swoosh brand identifier being permanently applied to the jerseys that Nike officially sponsors. The Nike-Brazil partnership is among the most iconic in world football. The autographed jerseys represent the ultimate fan dream, bridging the gap between the production process and the celebrity ownership.
La precisión impecable transforma una prenda atlética en la identidad oficial de nuestra nación. Cada escudo se aplica con la máxima exactitud, garantizando la perfección.
Bienvenidos de nuevo a todos. Ahora nos adentramos en la fase final de la cadena, la logística. Vamos a explorar la fabricación, el embalaje.
Brazil Nike palette confirmed. Where is the manifest for Argentina Adidas? Right here. It's routed to Bay 2.
Manifest confirms final pallet is loaded.
Copy that. Bay door closing sequence initiated.
Celebramos el alcance global de nuestras operaciones de distribución. La producción de las camisetas del Mundial es un verdadero esfuerzo internacional.